Okay, I'm back with another video that how you can root your Samsung Galaxy A57. Okay, A57 device. So today it is my topic and I'm going to tell how you can exactly do yourself at your own risk and it's fully free. Okay, let's move to the guide. If I website here, I can search PC files zones, and here we will come and the guides I have written already on. Okay, how can I root uh, Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra? But our topic is to root a Samsung Galaxy A57 complete guide you will get here. Okay, it is really easy and do yourself and your own risk because currently I have no any you can say or we can call it can call uh, I have no any device right now to do a physically test and with all proper ways but this is a guide I wrote for you and you can do yourself very easy ways. Okay, benefits and risk. First, we will discuss what are the benefits and risk. If you have planned fully, properly, and trying to flash, or I think I mean to say, trying to root Samsung Galaxy A57. So first of all, you should remove. It will. The benefits are remove all bootware, flash custom ROM, block apps, full titanium backup, and kernel tweak for performance. Root only powers app. There will be your benefits and the risk are here. Risk we can say warranty void if your device has a warranty, so it will be void at all and web your all data currently whatever you have and the banking app will not be detected while doing the root. Okay, and you should have the backup everything that is very important for you and you don't want to lose them. So what the thing or the tool you should have currently. Yeah, so Windows PC which Windows supporting 10 or 11, a laptop or PC and the tool we can call Odin which support only for Samsung and use the driver, Magisk APK, stock firmware and original USB cable. So here all are mentioned, check, okay, and step by step I have written a guide that phase 1, phase 2, phase 3 and phase 4. So what you will get in your first phase that is three steps and second phase also has three steps with the pro tip after the bootloader wipes your phone set it up minimally with a temporary account skip restoring data until the after root is confirmed working. Okay, there what are the steps in the phase 3? I determine all the steps in with the phases so easy for you to understand and very well guidelines you can see. Okay, GitHub link I have mentioned. You can follow up that to download the images on your phone. After that, open it and install, and then select the file of the boot.image. Okay, I page 4, and that's all the steps. I recommend you can read the questions as well as if you have facing any hesitation or problems in your while doing the root, so download the scatter file. Download the scan file for your Android phone. Here you can see our rating guide is available already. A scatter file is a plain text map that tells SPFlash tool just is supporting SPFlash tool. So we can ask to the AI that does the scatter file support on Odin software in Odin tool in Samsung tool. Okay, no, the Odin tool does not directly support scatter file. Text file for flashing firmware. So MediaTek it will help in your MediaTek guide. So Odin require that all the file BL, APCP and PSC slot. So the guide I discussed for with you. That's all for now. And try to do on your own risk. We'll meet on another video. So that's all for now. Thank you so much.